This video shows how to replace riser 1 with support for a SNAPI-IO module on the C6520 sled within a PowerEdge C6400. Before you begin, power off the sled. Ensure that you'll always use ESD protection when working inside the system. To begin, press the retention latch on the rear of the enclosure and holding the sled handle, pull the sled out of the enclosure. To remove riser 1 with support for a SNAPI-IO module, you must first remove the air shroud. To do this, press the blue retention clip to lift the air shroud and then remove the air shroud hook from the slot on the sled. Now, for riser 1 with support for a SNAPI-IO module, remove the screws. Holding the blue touch points, lift the riser out of the sled and then disconnect the SATA cable. To replace riser 1 with support for a SNAPI-IO module, reconnect the SATA cable and insert the riser firmly into the sled until it is fully seated. And then tighten the screws. Next, insert the hook on the air shroud into the slot on the chassis, and then lower the air shroud until the blue clip locks into place. Now, push the retention latch to slide the sled into the enclosure and stop the sled at 20 to 30 millimeters before complete insertion of the sled. Then, push the blue retention latch gently until the sled locks into place. You have replaced riser 1 with support for a SNAPI-IO module on a C6520 sled within a PowerEdge C6400. If you need more information or assistance, go to dell.com/PowerEdge manuals.